coming in. Just hold on for a sec. Just hold on for a minute. I just wanna poke. I see. Poke, yeah. I just wanna welcome you back. Welcome you back to African Xhosa ASMR. Obviously today's video is going to be a bit different, obviously. So I had made a video about Miriam Makeba. If you have not seen it, you should definitely check it out. It's a great video. In that video, someone went in and typed that they really enjoyed the video and they loved Miriam's music, and they also loved Amapiano music. And then someone went underneath that comment and said, "Oh my word, I love Amapiano music too. I love it too." And I was like, what? So you're telling me you know about Amapiano? And then that put a thought in my mind that I should make a video about Amapiano. The biggest Amapiano song right now. What is it? Anyway, I then was like, maybe I should make a video about Amapiano, but I was like, you know what? Maybe I just need to chill. Maybe I just need to chill. Later that day, I then went on my social media. The only social media I have besides YouTube, which is Instagram. I'm only on YouTube and Instagram. I went on Instagram, and then on my For You page, guess what I found, bruh? Guess. Can you guess what I found? There was a lady, an American lady, who had made a video and said she was listening to Amapiano music, and when she was listening to the song Mnike, she just felt like a weird feeling, and she went on Google Translate to see the translation of Mnike, and she just doesn't quite feel the song, blah blah blah. And then the Google translation just gave her the affirmation that she should not feel the song. Let me tell you this, the way South Africans went in on her, because Mnike is playing left, right and center in South Africa, everybody's feeling it, and then they were like, excuse you, do you know Mnike? Do you even know the language that's spoken in Mnike? And you should definitely know better than to trust Google Translate. Let us school you today. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I should make a video about Mnike. Maybe I should just make a video about her, what do I have to lose? Have I listened to the song? Please don't come for me, but no, I haven't. So in today's video, I will be reading the Mnike song and translating it to you. you guys, I have no idea what to expect from it, and I will also be reading a second song, which is My Power by Beyonce. My Power by Beyonce, and it features South African musicians. Mnike lyrics. Why is it not written who sings Mnike? It's by Tyler ICU and Tumelo. Mnike by Tyler ICU featuring Tumelo.za, and then featuring Maporisa. So this is what it says. Mnike. Yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla. Yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla. Sazophila bafuna ubumnandi nomdanso. Sazophila bafuna ubumnandi nomdanso. Thina sobanika. Nika. Yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla. Sazophila bafuna ubumnandi nomdanso. Thina sobanika. Nika. Hey man aziwe. Hey man aziwe. Ziweke. Ziweke. Hi man aziwe. Man aziweke. Ziweke. Ngiyamnika uTyler. Ngimnike. Repeated multiple times. Hike. Repeated multiple times. And then it's back to Yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla. Sazophila bafuna ubumnandi nomdanso. Thina sobanika. So thina sobanika. Ngiyamnika. Ngimnike. Repeated multiple times. And the song is by Tyler Tumelo, and it features DJ Maporisa. It is a Zulu song. It is a Zulu, what do you call it? It is a Zulu. I forgot. The only thing that's ringing in my mind is Guaido. It is a Zulu. Oh my god. I totally forgot. What is it? Let me think. What is it? Amapiano. It is an Amapiano music genre. Amapiano. Okay. I just opened a new tab. Just to explain where Amapiano comes from and all that, but for now, let me just use Google Translator to see and compare it to the actual meaning, since I can understand Zulu. So it says, Yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla, and then it says it means the drum was hit with great force. The drum was hit with great force. I don't think that's far off, or I think that makes sense though. Yasizwa, ukuzwa is to hear something. you say uyasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla, you meaning, can you hear it? Can you hear the beat? Can you hear the drums? They are so powerful, you know. The sound is so powerful. Can you hear the sound? The sound of the drums, or the sound of this beat is so powerful. Okay, so that's what it means. And Google said, it says the drum was hit with great force, which I don't think is far off. But the exact meaning of what was being said is that, can you hear the sound of the drums? The drums are beating up with force. The sound of the drums is too powerful. That's what I would say it means. Once again, I'm comparing my translation to what Google Translate is saying. Maybe they meant something different, but if you understand basic Zulu, you will hear what I'm hearing, right? So yeah. And then it says, sazophila bafuna ubumnandi nomdanso. And then Google Translate it says they came alive and wanted fun and dancing, because it is sazophila. Sazo means once again. Sazo, once again. Ukuphila is to live. Ukuphila is to be alive. Bafuna ubumnandi. Ubumnandi is having fun. As usually when someone is saying, I am going to the club, they usually say, I'm going to ebumnandini. Ebumnandini meaning like a fun place. And when someone says, I'm going to ebumnandini, as a club or like a place where people sing, dance, and drink, it's called ubumnandi. Nomdanso, ukudansa. Bumnandi is joy and happiness. That's the direct meaning of it. And then umdanso is to dance. And yeah, sazophila, we're still going to be here. We're still going to love. We're still going to have fun. We're still going to dance and have the time of our life. Sazophila, we're still going to live. That's what it says. And then it says, Tina Sobanika. Once again, we give them. That's what Google says. We give them. I don't think it's far off, because ukunika, Tina, us. And then ukunika is to give somebody something. Tina Sobanika, we are going to give it to them. We are going to give it to them. But if you're not South African, it wouldn't make sense to you. But if you are a South African, the term Mnike is to just show them what you've got. It's a term that's used when it comes to dancing. Just show them your moves, show them what you get. So when someone says Tina says awubanika, it means I'm going to show you my dance moves. It's a term referring to dance. So I'm gonna show it to them. I'm gonna show them my dance move, because they're saying that they're going to live, they're gonna dance, they're gonna have fun, right? There was a song called Mnike. It was like Mnike, and it was by Arthur and was it Jomi? I don't know. And then Mnike is more like just show it to them, show your dance move, show off. So I think this is where this reference is coming from. And then it says nika. And then it says give. Once again, the direct meaning of ukunika is to give. So it's not far off. But I think in this context, ukunika is to say show off your dance move. Yabo, kawbanike, kawabonise ba udume ngandoni, you know what I mean? But ukunika. And then there's also the Mnike dance TikTok challenge or something like that. So that's what I think. I could be wrong. Once again, this is just my understanding of the song. It could be far off what I think. And then says once again, yasizwa lesigubhu sinamandla, and then it then goes on to say Tina Sobanika. It says hi man aziwe, hi man aziwe. Hi man as an exclamation that is used in South Africa, and here it did not translate to hi man. Google Translator said the translation is hi man. No, I don't think that's what it means now. Google Translator is off according to my understanding. Hi man, it's a South African expression. It could mean two things. It could mean hi man, or it could mean hi man. So in this context, it could mean a good thing, like hi man. Like it's more like no ways, shut up. No ways, shut up. You could mean no ways, shut up. Or you could mean shut up. Or you can say shut up. Or you shut up. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like that. But hi mani is more like no man. No man. Hi means no. And then mani is like man. And then if you're saying hi mani, you're like no man. And then if you say hi mani, you're like no man, no, like standing your ground. And then it says aziwe ukuwa means it's going down, it's lit, it's hip, it's happening. Aziwe, it means it's time to party, it's time to get it down. Ukuwa is to fall. So when you say aziwe, it's gonna go down. You know, when you went to a party and it says it went down on that party, you know it was lit on that party. So aziwe means it's about to get lit, or it should get lit. So no man, it should get lit. Everything's like the party is going down. So that's what it means. And then it says the Google Translator just said the same thing. It says aziweke iweke, which is off because it didn't translate it. The translation I would say is that it's about to go down. It's gonna go down. Aziweke, it should go down. This party should get lit. And ziweke, it should get lit. Ukuwa, it's going down. Yawa, it's going down. It's about to go down in this party. Everything's about to get lit. So not literally lit, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then aziweke, ziweke, and then it's about to go down. It should go down. It's going down. That's what it means. And then tina sobanika, we're going to show them. We are going to bring this party to, it's gonna go down. And then it says nika, 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 which means show them. Show your dance move. Show your dance move. It's about to go down. That's what it means. And then it says ngiyamnika uTyler, ngimnike. And then when you're doing the robot, is it the robot when you're doing the wave, and then it goes to the person and then the other person does the waves? It's more like you're giving that person the wave, so ukunika, you're passing it down to the other person. So it says I'm passing down it to Tyler, so Tyler should show off his dance moves. Tyler, show them what you've got. Tyler, show off. So that's basically what it needs. And I'm just passing it to you now. I'm just passing the baton to you. Show them what you've got. Show them your dance move. Show off. And then that's what it means. And then it says haike. Once again, haike is like an exclamation that we use in South Africa. I just want to see what I can say the direct translation is, but means no, 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 hi. And if I say hi, it could mean two things. It could mean a good thing or it could mean a bad thing, depending on the context. If I'm saying hi, I'm saying I'm done. If I am making an ASMR video, it could just be like a general term. Also, if I'm making an ASMR video to you guys and then I say hi, that means okay you guys, that is it for today's video. That's basically what it means. But if someone is doing something and you want to say no, you can say haike. It's like no with an exclamation point, period. Or it could say haike, like haike, you know what I mean, haike. I just want to find the exact meaning of I can say haike when it's used like in that context, but I don't know what term I could use. I could say period, on point, period. You know how people will use the word period, how it was invented. When people say period, you know that it means period. And like period, that is it. Or it could mean like period, like okay, period. So haike is a term that could mean period. So in this context, it means that the party was lit and we were having fun. That's on period. So that's what it would mean. But I don't know what term I could use to describe that. That's my understanding of it. Anyways, Tina Sobanika, we're going to show it to them. We're going to show off our dance moves. So that's basically the meaning of Mnike, which is a South African Amapiano song. It's a Zulu song by Tyler, Tumelo and infectious DJ Maporisa. Mnike means give it to them, show it to them, what to like, show them. So yeah, we are done with Mnike. It's time to move on to My Power by Beyonce. The song My Power features two South Africans and they are awesome musicians. It is Busiswa and Moonchild. Busiswa and Moonchild. I think we should start with the verse by Busiswa because it's the one that comes before the one by Moonchild. Busiswa's verse, I'm not gonna read the entire song, I'm just gonna read the Xhosa parts, which are by them. Where is Busiswa's board? Okay, here it is. Here's Busiswa's board. When it comes to the song, there's a part that says your as an MY, but I don't want to be associated with that. I'm just gonna say your, but just know that when I'm saying your, it says MY, but anyway, that's it. It says, and when I'm reading that part, which refers to MY, and then I say your, I'm just gonna put a star so that you can say it's just saying MY, not your. Woza, vubani bo, siyavuma, selingenile ikumkani, ningapapazi amandla am, ngizokopisa abanenkani, thulani bo, sengihleli. Nibabuzile abaziyo ngami, they will be nicks when I'm done. Jongani bo, siyabona, ndimneskim sami, sizilethile izikhali, amakwali awahlangani hlanibo ipambu mthetho. Niyayibona inkinga lento, sizayilungisa hemba mina qoqa amaqhawe soyiqeda manje. I think, let me just look if Busiswa is Xhosa or Zulu. There are Xhosa people who sing in Zulu, and there are Xhosa people sing in Zulu, but I just want to see if Busiswa is Zulu. I don't want people to come for me like, why did you say she's Xhosa, she's Zulu? Busiswa, blah, 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 South African. Yeah, she's Xhosa, but the verse that she was singing, she sang it in Zulu. She was born in Mthatha in the Eastern Cape province of South Africa, and she's Xhosa. But this part is in Zulu and Xhosa are Bantu languages, which are practically twins. The more similarities and how you pronounce words and your accents are quite different from one another, but a lot of people in South African cannot tell the difference. But when a Zulu person is speaking and a Xhosa person, the accents are very much different, but some of the words are similar. So yeah. And then Moonchild says, Woza, they no fits shake, oh, lie, oh no fits, touch them, oh, woza, boom, check you later, I roll with the danger, and oyiki ninja, mina di ninja, woza, which is the last part of the song. So now it doesn't even have a part that says Google Translate. It doesn't have a part that says Google Translate. Once again, these translations are from the top of my head. They could mean something totally different, but I'm translating them based on how I perceive them and what they would mean. Okay, great, perfect. Let's say I start with Busiswa. It says Woza. It's a Zulu term, means come, join us, Woza. And then it says Fumanibo. Is a term that is used by traditional healers who are now mostly associated with witchcraft. Back in the day, they were highly respected, but now there's a lot of what they do being associated with, the spirits of darkness and stuff like that. So Sifumanibo is a term that would be used by the traditional healers. They would say Fumanibo, and then the person who went to consult with them would say Siyavuma, which means the traditional healers are trying to connect with the ancestors or something like that. And then when they're saying Fumanibo, the traditional healer is talking to the ancestors of the person who's consulting with them. He's asking for permission from the person, like, do you give me permission to consult with your ancestors? It's more like something like that, or at least that's how I think it is. So when it says Fumanibo, it says you should say yes, you should grant me permission, you should say yes, you should grant me permission. And then the answer, and then it says the other people say Siyavum, which means now that's the term the person who consulted with the traditional healer would say to the traditional healer, yes, I grant you permission to traditionally heal, or I grant you permission to connect with my ancestors, or something like that. So I'd say Fumanibo, and then the person says Siyavuma, which means do you grant me permission but I was just trying to make you understand like the meaning behind it. So vumanibo means say yes, and then the person says siyavuma, which means we are saying yes. We meaning them and their ancestors and forefathers or something like that. Because if it was referring to one person, it would have said ndiyavuma. But when you go to traditional healers, you're seeking help from your dead ancestors. I just want to tell you the real meaning behind these things, okay, according to my understanding. So and then it says selingenile ikumkani. Selingenile ikumkani. Selingenile means it has arrived. It has arrived. Ikumkani is royalty. Ikumkani is royalty. Royalty. Ikumkani is a king. Ikumkani kazi is a queen. In this case, it means your king has arrived. The king has arrived, or the royalty has arrived. And then it says, Ningababazi amandla am, Ningababazi amandla am, don't applaud my power. Ningababazi, Ninga, it says don't. Ninga, don't. Babazi amandla am, which means don't applaud my power. I think it should have said Ninga babaza amandla am, which means you should applaud my power. Amandla is power. Amandla is strength. So means mine. Ninga babazi amandla and then I think they cut away the other part because I don't see it here that I was saying I was going to refer to yours, not my. They cut it out here because it talks about demons. Demon time. I'm not going to turn into a conspiracy theory channel. Relax. But be careful what kind of music you listen to. Be careful what and make sure that you understand the meaning behind it, or you at least check it out, because sometimes you might be listening to something that you don't agree with. Just saying, okay? Just saying, please don't come for me. Please don't come for me. Please, I'm begging of you. Please. And then it says, ngizokobisa abanenkani, ngizokobisa abanenkani. Ukukoba is to bend. Ukukoba is to bend. Ukubanenkani is to be stubborn. And in this context, it says that I think it would mean that even those who are stubborn will bow down to me. Even those who are, will bow down to me. Ukukoba is to just like bend. In this case, I would say it means to bow, I think. And then it says, Tulanibo, Sengleli. Once again, Tulanibo. When it comes to the traditional healers or something like that, they would say, do this, Bo, and then you would say, we're doing it. Your answer would be saying, we're doing it. So now it says, Tulanibo, which means peace, like quiet, silence. You should be silent. There should be peace and quiet and silence. And then it replies back. It says sengleli. Ukuhlala is to sit down. So when you're sitting and holding your ground and just quiet and whatnot, you're maintaining peace, right? Because when you're moving around, there's distraction. It's not silent. It's not peaceful. It's not quiet. But when you're sitting down now, there's peace. There's quiet. Sengleli. I'm reserved. I'm sitting down. And it says, oh, it was not cut down. It says, selivukile idimoni lako, which means your demons have come alive. I thought it was cut off. I forgot to read it last time. And then it says, nibabuzile abaziyongam. Did you ask others about me? Those who know me. So did you ask those who know me about me? Did you ask them? Shh. And then it says, there will be meaning look, pay attention, look. And then you should be paying attention, you should be looking. Then it says siyabona, which means we see, we are paying attention, we're looking, we see. And then it says ngim neskim sam. It says it's me and my crew. Iskim are your buddies. Iskim sam are my buddies. It says this is me and my buddies. And then it says sizilethile izikhali, sizilethile izikhali. Izikhali are weapons. We have brought our weapons. We have brought our weapons and stuff like that. Yeah. And then amakwali, awahlangani, amakwali. I have no idea what amakwali is. And then awahlangani means they don't mix together. They don't mix together. They don't. Awahlangani. So I don't know what amakwali is. What I know is ikwala. Ikwala, not equally, is a car word. Just like, powerless and a car word. Awahlangani. Like we don't mix with, car words and stuff like that. And then it says hlanibo ibambo umthetho. Hlanibo ibambo umthetho. Ukubamba umthetho is to follow the rules and, be like that. Bamba umthetho, be straight. And then it says niyayibona inkinga lento. Niyayibona inkinga lento. Niyabona, can you see this thing is a problem? Can you see this thing is a problem? Sizoyilungisa, themba mina. This thing is a problem, but trust me, we're going to fix it. This thing is a problem. Trust me, we're going to fix it. What is it? I don't know. Yeah. And then it says qoqa amaqhawe soyiqeda manje. Qoqa amaqhawe soyiqeda manje. Ukuqoqa is to gather things together. Like when you're folding your clothes and putting them in place. Uyaqoqa impahla, you're folding your clothes and putting it in place. Qoqa endlini. You're putting everything in its position, it's in its place around the house. That's what it means, to put everything in its position, everything in its place. You are tidying it up. Ukuqoqa is to fold. Ukuqoqa is to fold and tidy up things. Okay? And then amaqhawe are conquerors. And then soyiqeda manje. Ukuqeda is to finish. Manje is a Zulu term meaning now. When it says qoqa amaqhawe, like I said, ukuqoqa is to gather things around, to clean and tidy things up. So when you say qoqa amaqhawe, that means gather all the champions together, gather all the warriors, the champions together. And soyiqeda manje, so that after they've been gathered, we can finish this thing now, once and for all. So that is what Busiswa's part means. Now let us go on to Moonchild's verse. It's mostly and sometimes in English, so you probably understand what it means. It says woza, they no fit shake mo lie. I don't know what that means, but woza means come. And then it says you know fit touch mo woza, which means come. And then it says I think that means let's go. So woza, boom boom boom. Once again, woza. When you are going out, when you're going out and you say woza, which means come, let us go together, come, let us go together. But woza means come, but depending on the context in which you're using it, it can say if you're going somewhere and saying say woza, that means come and let us go together. So that's what it means in this context, says come, let us go together. But if you're sitting down and you call a child like my child, come here, you just say woza ngane yami in Zulu. So It's once again in English, and then it says, Andoyiki ninja, ukoyika is to be fearful. Inja is a dog. Inja is a dog. So a lot of like people in different communities are scared of dogs. They do not want anything to do with dogs. They see a dog, they run for their lives. This part says Andoiki ninja, which means I'm not even scared, I'm not even afraid of a dog. Andoiki ninja. Even dogs don't scare me. I'm not scared of dogs. They don't scare me. That's what it means. And then it says, Mina ndiyi ninja. Mina ndiyi ninja. You know a ninja, right? It says, Mina, me. I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. And you know ninjas, they have strength, they're powerful, they're vigilant, and they, you know that about ninjas. They're like super cool. And then it says, Andoiki ninja. I'm not even scared of dogs. Mnike ninja woza. I'm not scared of dogs. I'm a ninja. Come, let's go. So that was Moonchild's verse on Beyonce's song My Power. And then the My Power song features who? Let me just try to see all the people who are featured in My Power so that they get the credit. It features Mnike, Beyonce, Busiswa, Yemi, Tyler, as well as Moonchild. Anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, or it at least opened up your eyes to something, or you learned a thing or two, and that you're not being ignorant whilst listening to it. You listen, if you know what I mean. So, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye. Are you still here? I already said bye. You can go now. I'm done with the video. Yeah.